Kyle Bratch from Chaparral Motorsports here at the 2020 launch of Alpinestars MX gear. Now we know Alpinestars for their boots. Last year they introduced a helmet. We've been doing their neck braces, knee braces, and chest protectors for a long time. But this year, brand new, 2020, we have the Super Tech, which is going to be the pro-level riding jersey gear outfit. Moving down to the next level, we have the Tech Star. This is going to be very fitted, similar to the Supercross style rider, but it is going to be a little bit more price conscious. We then have the Racer line of gear moving this direction. This is going to be for the guy who wants an entry-level or price-conscious set of motocross gear that's not quite so form-fitting. It's going to be for the woods rider, the off-road rider, the guy who wants something that's a little bit not quite as snug and form-fitting as the previous two gear sets that we've showed you. We're super stoked to be out here at the Alpinestars 2020 MX gear launch at Milestone MX Park. If you got any questions about any of this gear, we have detailed breakdowns of each of the three gear sets. We've been out here last week. We were riding in this gear. We've got all kinds of great footage coming your way. So again, if you have any questions about anything Alpinestars, leave a comment down below and we'll be sure to get to you immediately. I'm Kyle Bratch from Chaparral Motorsports. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.